Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Meghalaya Yogasana Sports Association daga jingkemen kelapin menapat ba ban penlong yang Meghalaya State Yogasana Championship arjar posau pat ia kani kelempung an sedang hagat sautrik mentau benai risau. Habakaran syikilat patai kubor ba Daniel Donai ubadi presiden ulang baya kani kelempung an suhan ban pledu menteri rang ba kejela ukon rake sangma baru ba syakler wajri ubadi menteri ke transport nalor kiwaipan. Syusyu badanya lu pentip baya kani kelempung kindan nadu san pongut ki Indonesia benta ki berwarna keleng ki distrik Jonggajela ki ben penipat ba ila kisap ki pong.
Myself, State Secretary of Meghalaya Yogasana Sports Association. Very excited to announce the event that is Meghalaya Yogasana State Sports Championship 2024, which will take place on October 14, 2024 at Bharat Scout and Guides Auditorium, Shillong. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Sri Conrad Sangma, and our esteemed Sports Minister, Sir Sri Shakir Waziri, along with the Director of the Directorate of Youth and Basic Sports for their invaluable support in making this competition possible. This year, we are proud to host 50 participants from various districts across Meghalaya, showcasing their skills in different events and categories. We encourage everyone to join us in celebrating the spirit of Yogasana and sportsmanship. There are 5 events categorized in 2 individual events and 2 pair events. These are traditional Yogasana single, artistic single Yogasana, artistic pair Yogasana, rhythmic pair Yogasana. The age category of the events are as sub-junior level 10 to 14 years, junior level 14 to 18 years, senior level 18 to 28 years. Cut-off date of this competition is calculated on 31st March of the previous financial year. We have the technical committee that comprises of competition director, convener, and other jury members. And the panel are chief judge, D judge, T judge, A judge, evaluator, scorer cum announcers, and stage manager. We have conducted our district championships in 3 districts: East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, North Garo Hills, and these selected participants from all these districts will perform in our state level championship. So, that these districts are, we are having some common 2, 3, 4 districts coming up. Vibhor district, then we are having in South Garo district and Jinta Hill districts coming up in our recent development. Then sir, we have the achievements in the Durand Cup, recently conducted Durand Cup, which is a very successful event, sports event, and our Yogasana has been given as a performance there. And then we had in the 5th Meghalaya Games as a demonstration event. So sir, these are the some of the events that has been taken care of. And thank you so much sir for your support, and we look forward for an inspiring event. Thank you sir.
Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Sports Secretary Shakir Waziri, but the Directorate of Sports, I support ini batakan ke state level championship, Yogasana championship, arajan akusah. Yang kepa di kibarok di pegba, di athletes, di belong kena di school, di organization, banwan sukmat, ban simpat, ini di Jingakai Bawan Batamai, Mentaki sports Banta Yogasana, Banta Kalan, recognized sports. Banta Olympic Association, Indian Olympic Association, Dagon Kipika Affiliation, but Asian Olympic also. Right? Kepari Kibaro, and one except ini untuk saya recognized sports, competitive sports. Tengah kuah ban clear kenika misconception de Jepang kenika Yogasana. Mentagi bun ki brio mentagi perkat badai kenika yoga badai kum ke biale batki kum ki Hindu kita itu berfan ki practice religious practice ni. Tengah kuah ban clear kenika religious practice. How ka ko hindai kine ki de ki tradition miswa. Ki yoga miswa. Banta bade ni habde ban pai kuma sa competitive sports. Tengah terpari borok hi ban inde ban bu ta ba larun kumti religion kan like kumti religion but tadi ka ni mata competitive sports. National program. Kapa gidan hande kenam ka bala yo kenam your first gold medal, silver, bronze medal, itu kita mulai dilakukan state tu. So state national level competition tu kita. Dan nanti dah your position berbiang, jadi kita lakukan ini national game. Sports Association. The Meghalaya Yogasana Sports Association was established in 2021 and we got the registration on February 2024 with a mission to promote Yogasana as a competitive sport in our state. We are proud to be affiliated with Yogasana Bharat, formerly known as the National Yogasana Sports Federation, which is recognized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. And also it is an associate member of Indian Olympic Association. I am pleased to announce that our association is not only the only affiliated body of Yogasana Bharat in Meghalaya, but is also professionally affiliated with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. This affiliation is a testament to our commitment to integrating Yogasana into the competitive sports landscape of our state. Our primary objective include promoting Yogasana as a recognized sport among the youth in Meghalaya, organizing workshop, competition and training programs to enhance skills and encourage participation, supporting athletes and practitioners in the journey toward excellence in Yogasana. We invite everyone, individuals, schools and organizations to join us in our mission. Whether you are a beginner or a practitioner, there is a place for you in our community. Thank you. And we are going to organize this one state championship. So I will give over to our state secretary, Mr. Deepankar Lampi. Regarding Yogasana, many people associate it exclusively with religious practices, but we want to clarify that Yogasana is primarily a competitive sport. While Yogasana has its roots in ancient tradition, our focus involves its application as a competitive sport. Just like any other sports, Yogasana involves skills, discipline and physical fitness. Our aim is to promote it in a manner that emphasizes these competitive elements. We organize competition, training session and workshop that focus on the athletic aspects of Yogasana. Athletes train rigorously, compete at various levels and strive for excellence. Just as in other sports. We encourage everyone, regardless of background or belief, to see Yogasana as an opportunity for physical and mental development. Our association is committed to making Yogasana accessible as a sport for all, and we invite everyone to participate.